In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a developer to your GoDaddy account with Delegate Access 2026. If you need a web developer or technician to work on your domains, DNS, hosting, or email, Delegate Access is the safest way to give them what they need without sharing your password or payment details. Here's how to set it up from start to finish. First, head to the GoDaddy website and sign into your account. If you have two-step verification, complete that as usual so you land on your dashboard. In the upper right corner, click your profile avatar to open the account menu. From that menu, choose Account Settings. This takes you to a page where you manage your profile and security options. On the Settings page, look for Delegate Access and select it. The Delegate Access area shows two sections: people who can access your account and invitations you've sent that are still pending. Under People who can access my account, click Invite to Access. This opens a small form to create a secure invitation. Enter the full name and email address of the person you're inviting. Double check the email carefully. GoDaddy sends the invite to that address, and the recipient will need to accept it from that inbox. If they don't already have a GoDaddy account under that email, they'll be prompted to create one during acceptance. Next, choose the access level. Pick the least privilege that still lets them do their job. For example, if your developer only needs to manage DNS or domain settings, choose a domain-focused permission. If they also need to configure hosting, SSL certificates, or other products, select a broader products and domains level. You can always adjust or remove access later, so it's fine to start conservatively. When you're ready, click Invite. You'll see the invitation appear with a pending status. If needed, you can cancel and resend from this page. The recipient will receive an email asking them to accept your delegation. Once they accept, they can switch into your account from their own GoDaddy profile and work only within the permissions you granted. They won't be able to view your billing, change your password, or take ownership of the account. That's it. To manage or revoke access at any time, return to the same Delegate Access page. Keep your account secure by granting only what's required and removing access when the work is complete. Thanks for watching, and you're now ready to add a developer to your GoDaddy account safely and efficiently.